Okay, hello from Excel Visa. Today is Advent of Code 2016, day 24, and Duct Spelunking. Okay, using Excel. Okay, go to this year, 2016, day 24. I'm bad reading, so I'm just gonna skip to the key point here. So we have a map like this one, and there are like interest point, like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we have to go to this point as quick as possible. So this one we go from 1 to 4, and then we go back from 4 to 1. So we have to like pass every point here, but we have to start it from 0 here. And then this one we go from 1 to 4, back to 4 to 1, and then 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So this is we cover all, and this total step is 14. That means we need to find distance from each point to each other. So like I have to check like 1 to 0 to 1, 0 to 2, and then like try to make it short as possible. So okay, let's start. Just get the input here, which is good. Okay, like this. I'm gonna shift this one, and then I'll take the I just mid all this by sequence of comma length. Tab is still have some delay. Whoop, and 1. Okay, so this is our OI. So this is our map, and then make it shrink smaller. So like this one. So we have like some number and some. So okay, let's see what we have here. I think I'm just gonna name this one. Yep, we have only one input, so I just name this one as map MP here. Then to call MP and then get unique of this one. And also needed sort, so sort. Close. Okay, so we have, so this is sort, that means dot is more than sharp. Yep. And then we have 7, include 0 is 8. And that means we can walk through dot and number, but we cannot walk through that sharp. So we can check if we can move through this point by equal to, if this is more than sharp, then that means we can move through all of this. We cannot move and this, and then this sharp is on the edge, so this make me never go out on the edge. Okay, then when this move with this move, okay, let's check the position of this. So let's get this one first. Oh, it's not this. Okay, wait, I have to go with this. Okay, then I need a position. So usually I use position with the row multiplied by 1000 and column. So let's try that. Okay. If MP equal to this, then I need rows. Should I? Oh wait. Sequence of rows MP multiplied by 1000 plus sequence of column MP. Oh, and then I just need the maximum. So just like I can this one multiply by this one, and then go with max this. So this is position. Really? Where's 0? Can't find. Okay, never mind. I'll just go with that, and then I have to go with all. So let's use map. And n is this one. Oh, map of all this lambda n, and then this one change to n. Close. So this is the position. So 7 is at something, right? columns, MP sequence. Is it right? Have to check this one. It mean okay. So good, and then to 172. To 172 is something, right? To 172. How many column is this? We have 179. Okay, 7 is here. Very last. Okay, good. Now, the way I'm gonna find distance from each point is like we go like some kind of brush first search. So I'm gonna start with this one, and then I'm gonna stack the next move from this one to the right. So let's try reduce on this one, and then one step first. So I mean lambda a and use this. So and then the b, what I need is the let b is take a from the last column -1, and it's when I stack to the right there will sometime will be na, so I just go with to call 3 here, and this is the last one. I'll just go return b here. Okay, so this is the latest point, and then with this point I can go up, down, left, and right. So that is plus by up is -1000. I just go clockwise, so up, right, 1, down is 1000, and then left is -1. So this is my B. Then I have to check if this is available path. That means what I did before. So this one have to more than sharp, like this one. So, and then I need to get that position. So I will go with index of MP by this one. So this will get row, and then column will be mod of B by 1000. Get this one, okay. And then usually I have to check if it goes to 0, and then because index 0, it will take all. But this one on the edge, we'll never reach that because it's all sharp here, so I don't have to check that one. So just can skip that. And then this one have to be more than sharp. So that means I only have one move here. So if that happens, so I go with if with S here. Return B. Okay, so I got only one move here. And then with this one, I'm gonna stack to the right. Let's stack on A. This one got like this. Oh, wait, I have to go to call. On this one with 3. So this is my second move. And then if I go further, last, this one just go back to the original point, which I don't want. So I have to go with check if it's not on the previous ones. That means this one had to be more than one condition. I'll just take this one. Okay, I'll just think this is C here. And this is C. Then I have to check if B is not exit before. So this means to go two conditions. So this is this one, first condition. Second condition is an A, not before X match. On B on the previous A, but A have to be in column, so to call of A with 3. Let's get rid of error, cross. Now I get rid of the duplicate one. Now I can go like 5 here, and until some point there will be no further move. That means to call of this one will return error. So I go with this. If error, just give me 0. Then I can go like more. So we have, I think I can go 200. It's take quite some time. Wait. See, the problem is sometimes it's just return duplicate number like this one. So make duplicate disappear. So this is unique. One. Okay. Another coin is sometime. No. So let's get rid of unique, and then I can go through 100 fast, and I have 200 row here. That means it's not stopped yet. At some point, it will have to stop. So let's say I go 300. Still 301. That means I can go like 400. Okay, now it stopped it as it returns 0, but I don't want 0. So that means if the if the first element of C is number, I just go with S step. If not, just return me the A. Not do anything. So that means I get rid of that 0, and then these are all the point. And the point, the moving step is like this one is 0, this is 1. So that means I don't want the first one. I'll just drop the first one out. Drop the first column out. Now this means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I can get the this 10 from this one by looking on each of this one. This is return, but better to have like assign number to each of this one. So this means this is the let position. Okay, P here, and then I have the P, and then I need the step. So ST. Okay, I just go with I. Sequence of column P. So this is my I. Okay, V step I and P. I'll get this. And then when I have this one, I think easier to go with lookup on this one to return, but this one has to be in one column. So it means I have to go to call with P on 3 here. Close. Wait. Close. So this is to call. I think I'll just to call by column, scan by column. This is 1. Yep. And then the number also have to be this. So go with S step. So if P then return me the I, and then NA just return NA, and then I have to call wait tap that working, ignore error, and 1 here. I get this one. Now that I have this, I can like look up for the how many step here. So this means I can go with X lookup on the first, return the number. X lookup on this. Yep, on this return. I think I can get to lock cell here. And if not found, just return 0, and then when it close here. Yep. So this means my step to each point is like this, and then I have to go for all other points. So I go to row on this. And this one is the start point. So I change start point to here and that one. So now I get all this 10 from each point here. Next is we need to find the shortest distance. So we always start with 0. And then the next could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 6. Until 7. And then next on this, that means this is like a combination or permutation. So we need to create all possible on this one. And that is, I think that is 7 fact of 7. Okay, 5,000 is doable here. So let's try that. I'm gonna start with this one in let n is to row. Yes. Mhm. Then we have n here into to call to row like this one, and then I got with reduce start from blank. Yep. And then n. I will do it n time, and then if if I have to see if it's not happened before. So if find is error, find n on a. If not found before, I want a and n. Okay, let's say this is one first. Wait. Oh, lambda a and underscore. Just cross. What? Oh, another cross bracket here. Okay, this is into column, and then I have to go with to call to be in the with three, ignore error. So get this one. So this is first step, and then set sequence of two. Give me two step. Zero. Actually, I don't want zero, so this is just this. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. And then if I go for that n step, I can go with n there. So this is all permutation, right? I go with constitute permute 7 and 7. Yep. Okay. This is permutation. So this is like all possible route we can go. And then we can find distance from this one. So we start with 0. Okay. So it means I'm start with 0 instead. Wait. Not blank. I'm start with 0. Still this. And then I have to find distance from each pair of this one. So that means I have to go with mid on this one for 7 times. And Q 7. And I need 2. Okay. So this is like each pair of the distance. But then if I go 1 and then plus 1, plus 0 and 1 here, I'll get this one. And then I can use the, I cannot go with index. I have to plus 1 again. This means I have to plus 1 for the index. This means my first will be start from 1 and then looking for 2. So, okay. This means I can go with, so this is like row, and then I need column. Column will be this one plus 2. So this is column. So I can use index of row and column to get the distance for each part up here. So this mean let's permute p again. This is 1 and mid p, and this is I again. This is I. Okay. Then I can index of this one from I, and from, can I go I plus 1 sequence? Wait. Okay, and I know I need this one sequence. So this is S. So this is S. Yep, I'll go with this one S. And then the column will be S plus 2 plus 1 like this, and then plus 1 again. Okay. So it means the first one is like first row, second column. So this is like this 10, and then I can sum this one. Yep. So this is this 10, and then I can go with map to all of this. Okay, map. this lambda p, and then let s is that, go with some. Okay, and the minimum of this will be 460, and that should be the answer. 460. One gold star. Now continue part two. Part two, we have to start at 0, visit every non-zero, and return at 0. So almost the same here, but we need to end at 0, so that means another part here. Okay. And then I have to add 0 at the end. Okay. So, okay, just go with this one and 0. And then the formula here, instead of 7, I have to change to 8. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, I have to move this one to this. Okay. And then minimum will be 68. Yep, 2 gold star. Okay, so it's all done for today. Another point is I want to find make it. There are two ways to like go like this one. I usually go by column, but another way is go by row. Let's see which one is faster. So just gonna use this one. The reason I think it gonna be faster, like, okay, so this is big size of array, and then there are a lot of NA here that we don't need it, like this one, a lot of NA. So if we go, instead of we go by column, we go by row like this, to row or to call of this one instead, then we will not have NA here. But the problem with this is like when we have more than one part like this one away. Okay, I think I can use some of this. Yep, can use some of this one. Just go with a step. This one. What's wrong is that, I don't need this. Okay, so like there are some steps that we have multiple, so that means I need to filter. Last time I only take the last column. Now I have to filter the one that with the same step like this. So let's try that. Okay. Lambda, this one. Now use I as a number, but let's start from 1. And then A here. This means from the start point. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll just start from the same one. The start point, I need to assign 0 here. So this means this one I have to multiply 1 and 0. So this is my start point. And then next turn I will have to find the same as this one, but instead of take this one, I have to find out the last number. So this means find out the last number. That means I have to x look up, no, x match for I minus 1 on the last column of A. So take, just drop A first column out. So this is 1. And now when I have 1, I have to drop that row. So okay, drop A and then minus 1 row here to get the first. But actually I only need the first one. So okay, let first column. So okay, I'll just go with n. We take a by first column. So this is just n here. Good. And then this we my b here. This is my b. Yep, this is my b. Okay, now b can move to all this. So just like this one. Okay, so this is how b move, and then the rest is almost the same. So this I can check here with c will be this. Index is the same, but now is MA here. I already have the n. I don't have to go with to call, so I check with previous n. And this is my C. Now I got the C, which is the next step. And then I have to step like this one. So if again at C, I want to do V stack of A and C, else just return the C. But now here we don't have the step yet. I can get the step number from I. So this means, oh no, have to return A here. Then this means is S. If just two column, I like to use this one. If 1 and 0, just give me C. And I if 0, so this I will return into the second column. Okay. Now I can go 10 and good. Now it's result the same. Now I can go 400. So okay, so this is same here. Now let's check which one is faster. But before that, I want to complete this one. So this means with this one, I can just go with VLOOKUP on this. I think I have to lock this one and then return column 2, this one, and then oh, I don't need if and a because I already have first step there. So this is another formula for that. Seems like this one is slower. I'm not sure, but let's check the time. Okay, timing. Let st is now. Then rs is something. Then we want to calculate now minus st multiplied by 84, which is from 24 multiplied by 60 and 60. So this is the timing. Okay, check this one. 0.37. Okay. Good. How about this? Oh, this have to be this one. Okay, right. This one is a little bit faster, but not significant. Just like small. So, but I thought it could be like more because if we compare this side, we have A here. We need to create this much side, but from this one, if I just go with reduce. Without that NA, this side is smaller. I think should be faster with bigger array. Okay. Yep. Okay. I think that's it for today. Have something else? Yep. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.